can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Hi YouTubers, welcome again to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. How you guys been? It's been a while since I've made a video. Sorry I was busy on other projects, but there is so many more videos I have lined up, so hope you guys stay with me. I know it's a lot, but it's an exciting time to be alive. So today's video is a product review, and this is actually a really awesome company, SwitchBot, that sent me a box filled with products. And I'm not kidding, it's a box that's just filled with products. So SwitchBot has actually been around for a very long time. They're one of the pioneers for smart home, and many of the products that SwitchBot makes is to make your home more efficient, more intelligent, and also to really maximize on security. In order to keep this video kind of small, but in order to keep this video short, I'm not going to go into too much detail about the one product that I really admire that this company is probably one of the only company that makes, and that's the smart curtain. But overall, I want you guys to take a look at SwitchBot. They're a fantastic company, really great customer service, affordable product, and it will make your home very smart. And the one thing I really want to get out there about smart products that integrates with your home is that smart products make our energy bill much nicer to look at. For example, leaving a light on all day is gonna cost a lot of money if you times that by 30 days. But if you have a smart SwitchBot, it will actually turn off the light when there's sunrise, when it detects sunrise. That way you're efficiently manage your energy, which is pretty fantastic. So with that being said, let's get into all these products that SwitchBot sent me. So I'm pretty sure they sent me 2 of everything. So if you guys like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel, and share my channel on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. I will definitely be giving you away some of these products that are coming my way. That being said, let's get right into all the products that they sent me. So I actually just got the box and I want to show you guys. So this is one of the products that SwitchBot that has a robotic arm that goes out to turn on a switch and then retracts to turn it off. It gives you the ability to retrofit onto an existing light switch, which is pretty fantastic. And this is also really nice, like when you're already in bed, you left the light on, you can just basically go on the app, turn the light off remotely. So we got one of these here. No specific order. This is pretty interesting. This is actually a SwitchBot hub mini. So this is basically a hub where all the infrared controllers that you have, remote controls that you have, feeds directly through this hub. So for example, your entertainment room, you have a remote control for the TV, you have a remote control for your Apple TV, you have a remote control for your Fire Stick, you have a remote control for your DVD player. All those remote control you can ditch, and you can send those feed directly through the hub, and you'll just have your phone acting as the main interface to those devices, which is pretty cool. Other stuff that they gave us here is we have some more of the, actually this is pretty cool. This is what I was talking about earlier. This is a humidifier or air quality index. So this actually syncs up to your phone, and it gives you visually what the temperature is in the living space as well as the humidity in the living space, which is pretty fantastic. You can set this on your TV stand, you can set this somewhere that's visible, and this will live feed and change throughout the day to let you know what the humidity is. This is really important. Let's say if you have pets or if you have kids inside the house, you want to make sure the air quality is suitable for them, especially in the night when you're sleeping. You want to make sure it's not too dry in the house, or you need to add the humidifier to bring some moisture into the air. This will give you that guidance. So pretty cool device. I absolutely love this here, and I'll set this up. Other stuff that we have in the box here, and it's a lot. So you have 2 of these here. So this is actually the SwitchBot indoor camera. which gives you resolution up to 1080 feet. It has two-way audio. That way, if you're not home, you have two-way audio built into the camera. It also have a built-in SD card reader, so you can actually have local storage on the camera. Really nice setup. So it's square camera, really big infrared sensor, so it works daytime and nighttime to give you high quality image, as well as you can add a stand to mount it in the ceiling or wall. So pretty cool. I like this here. I know there's a lot of cameras now. in the home, so this is a nice universal camera that you can put anywhere in your home and monitor what's going on when you're not at home. Other stuff that we have here, so these are actually motion sensors. And the way this works is these are basically triggers that you can automate different devices. So if you put a motion sensor near, let's say, a window, that way if you open the window, the motion sensor will know to turn off the light, so that way you're saving on light. Also acts as a security. Let's say if you're not home and you activate the motion sensor, if there's any motion in your home when you're away, the motion sensor will alert you. That way you can investigate by looking at the cameras. So there's definitely a lot of different ways you can use the motion sensor. And what else do we have? So you have some more of the SwitchBot. It does come in white, and you also have it in black. Moving on, we also got two of these contact sensors. These are door contact sensors. So you can put this in, let's say, your bedroom. When you open the bedroom, the light in the bedroom comes on. That's one way of using it. You can put this on your front door. That way when you open the front door, curtains retract, or when you open the front door, the lights come on. Different ways of using it. When you close the front door, all the lights in the home turn off. Definitely a lot of different ways you can automate your home using these contact sensors. Alright, so getting to the good stuff. This is the one that I'm really excited about, and this one I'll do a separate video about. This is the SwitchBot curtain. So basically this allows you to remotely control your curtain, so you don't have to get up and turn the curtain on and turn the curtain off. This has one of those like sliders that slides along the curtain bar to open the curtain and close the curtain. It comes in white as well as black. I have two of the white. This works with all different curtain rods, so the U-rod, the track rod, as well as the roll rod. It is adjustable to different rods diameters, which is pretty cool. And it has a pretty easy setup. Doesn't take a lot to set up. You can calibrate it in a couple minutes, and then you can get using it right away. It is also pretty cool that they have the ability to open as well as close, because it slides along the rod, which is pretty cool. So we got two of these here that we will play with later on. I'll have a separate video for both of these. All right, so we have some more. Let's see. So we have these two here. These are actually a solar panel, and what this does is actually provides rechargeable battery to the curtain rod. And I think that's everything in the box. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is this here. This is actually a very new product, and it just got released about a week ago. This is actually a smart tag. Basically, it's a SwitchBot tag, and it allows you to basically put it on the wall, and then you tap your phone next to the tag, and then your phone acts as a quick control for, let's say, the switches. Basically a quick control for all the switches and all the different devices. You can just tap your phone and it opens the app and allows you to control those devices, which is very cool. The last product I have here is a switch, and this is an on and off switch. So let's say if you want to turn on and off your camera, instead of using your phone to log in, you can basically use the switch to turn on and off the camera. Or let's say if you want to turn on and off, let's say, a smart device that's using a SmartBot, you can use the switch to turn on and off rather than using your phone. So this is just an additional piece to work in case you don't have your phone present with you. Alright guys, so those are all the products there that was sent to me from SwitchBot. As you guys can see, there's a lot of the products they sent. It was actually two of each which is pretty cool. I could give a set away to one of my subscriber there. So like I said again, please share my video, share it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp, share it on Twitter, share it on Instagram, and also like, comment. Alright guys, so these are all the products that SwitchBot sent me, and I'm definitely looking forward to sending a set out to one of the subscribers. Like I said before, share these videos on Instagram, share it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, I will be doing more individual video with some of these products, and we'll see you on the next video.